these beautiful rings. First, wires of about 0.5 and 1 millimeter thick. 2. Our main tools, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter. And 3. A ring mandrel. And 4. Jewelry files. 5. Beads or pearls. I'm using these kinds and types. First, pick up one of your previous wire rings and insert it into ring mandrel and mark it. This is the place where we are going to wrap our 1 millimeter thick wire all around, but first remain a space of about 2 centimeters and then wrap it all around this area. One time round is enough, and then remain another 1.5 centimeters and then cut it out. This is the time to wrap our first space that we left at one side all around a pen or pencil of about 1 centimeter diameter, and then we are going to push it with one of our pliers to be fitted tight, and then another side is going to be made just as another loop. So we are doing that with our round nose pliers, just like this, and the shape is just like a U with 2 loops at ends. Now we are going to insert it again on our mandrel at the marked space, and then to push the bigger loop onto the ring mandrel. We could hammer it soft with the plastic part of our tools, and this is the time to add the bead. But first, we need our thinner wire. We insert the bead into the thinner wire, and then we are going to put it between this rounded shape, and then with our round nose pliers we are going to make a wire coiling parts on the main frame. So make a very little U shape with your round nose pliers all around the main frame and wrap it for about 3 or 4 times. This is what we are going to do at the other side too. So this would be something like this with 2 wire coiling parts. And this is our very beautiful wire beaded ring. And the second one, our wire ring with pier. We start by ring mandrel and 1 millimeter thick wire, and we are going to wrap it a 1 round and a half on our ring mandrel and leave a space of about 1 centimeters to make a very little loop at the end. So we cut it out, and this is just like a spring or helix. And this is the place where the pearl is going to be put. At one of these sides, we are going to make a very little U shape with our round nose pliers, just like this, and mine is the mirrored shape of the first one. And at the end, we are going to make this very little loop. So again, with round nose pliers, we make that loop so that it wouldn't be sharp. But we should pay attention that the other side that is open is still sharp. So we should make jewelry file to smoothen it up. So I pick up my jewelry file, and if you don't remember how to do that, check this video out. and start to smooth it. Then insert the pier into the thinner wire again, and then to put it in between and make two wire coiling parts at both sides. This is our very beautiful wire ring with pier, and you finished it. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Take care.